To play Hush Little Baby, first we need to learn the C and G chords. Please note your guitar will need to be in tune for your C and G chords to sound right. This is the mini C chord diagram. Use finger number 1 on fret 1, string 2. Bend finger number 1 so you're only touching string 2. Good. Now strum the bottom 3 strings to play the chord. Great. Now let's look at the G chord. This is the mini G chord diagram. Use finger number 3 on fret 3, string 1. Good. Now strum the bottom 3 strings to play the chord. Here is a demonstration of me playing C, then G, then C, then G. Practice going back and forth until the change is smooth. Now let's try it with the song Strum C where it says C and strum G. Where it says G, when you see A / strum the previous chord again.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful.
You can find a complete set of chord sheets available on my Patreon page. The content is structured in a progressive manner, starting with songs only featuring C and G chords, followed by the next chapter that includes songs incorporating C, G, and D chords, and so on.